A new law in Florida is requiring teachers' unions to mandate a majority membership or possibly lose their collective bargaining rights. It's a hot political topic and local unions are responding. SNN's Hallie Pilot has more.
Effective July 1st, local teachers' unions have to exceed 50% membership or they run the risk of decertification. President of the Manatee Education Association, Pat Barber, says if educators don't join, there will be repercussions.
Because the contract that exists in a district is between the school board and the local.
So if the local loses its right as a bargaining agent, the contract is null, which basically means as an educator, certain things could be compromised.
Everything related to salaries, benefits, and working conditions.
Those elements would be left to the school board to impose. Barber says she's always proactive in recruiting new union members, but especially now.
As they begin to realize what is at stake if they do not become a member of the organization.
She says it's hard to understand the drive behind the law as it specifically targets teachers' unions.
Seems reasonable to think that it's an attempt to quiet the people who are standing up for public schools.
But according to the Herald Tribune, Representative Scott Plakin says politics aren't the reason. He sponsored legislation that cleared the House and would have imposed the same 50% rule on all unions, minus firefighters and police. Barber's union is below the 50% mark, but she says so far the law has done one thing.
Awakened some people to the need for all of us to stand together. But it is still a lot of work to convince people how important it is to have the collective voice and to have a representative when it comes to negotiating with the school board and the school district.
In Bradenton, Hallie Pilot, SNN, the Suncoast News Network.
Barber says her union has until January of 2019 to reach that 50% mark. If Manatee County educators, from teachers to lab instructors, want to join the union, they can contact the Manatee Education Association.